how to link Audible to Kindle, and of course, how to use it. So if you want to do this, you're going to make sure that the book supports Whisper Sync for voice, which you can identify by the headphone icon. So let's say you can look at your library and it should have a headphone on it or something similar to that. And it's going to be found in the Kindle store or app, and then only these specific books can be linked. Then you can go ahead and get access to the Kindle ebook, or you could purchase it, whichever process, and then either buy the Audible version separately or add narration at a discounted price if available. And then ensure both services are using the same Amazon account so they can sync properly. And then at that point, you can download the ebook on your Kindle app and then the audiobook on the Audible app. You can confirm that Whisper Sync is enabled in your Amazon settings, and then open the book in Kindle. Let's say I'm missing over here, and then once you go to a specific page, you can open it up by pressing on the screen. You'll get a few options like so, but you will find the headphone icon in the bottom right corner. Once you press on that and it's not yet linked, you should be able to see a process that does this, and then eventually once that's all done, you can get into your Audible just by pressing that single icon, and then you can just connect your Bluetooth headphones if you'd like, but that's pretty much it. So you can start listening while reading, and then once linked, your progress will sync automatically as well, letting you switch between reading and then audio seamlessly if you'd like, but you gotta remember that this only works on books with the headphone icon. But that's pretty much it. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.